Hey, what's up? It's your girl Shay. Welcome to my page. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, let's get into it. What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl Shay. I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time. Don't cuss me out. I think I lost like 2 followers, but you know, it's 2 subscribers, but it's okay. Today's style was inspired by Nontando. I believe that's how I'm pronouncing her name. It's called Space Buns. She is a new big inspiration of mine, and I have been on top of her YouTube videos, letting her know that I was definitely going to be trying these styles that she's been swinging my way. So this is just one of the many that I will be trying that she has put out. So what I'm doing now is I parted my hair down the middle so that I can make the 2 buns, and now I am just using the green eco styler to form a ponytail, the green eco styler with the olive oil. I put gel in the front, on the sides, and in the back, and now I'm just brushing it up into a ponytail. As you can see, my hair is not that long. I cut it back in April. You can go back to my previous videos and see where I did the big chop. My locks were 8 years old, and then I decided to cut them. But yes, look at that ponytail, baby. Look at that ponytail. Holding on for dear life. But it's holding on, okay? It is definitely holding on. And I was so excited. I was like, oh my God, I might actually be able to pull this style off. Do y'all think I pulled the style off? Let me know in the comments. You're in for a treat. Anywho, got that second ponytail going, and now I am just checking it out to see if it's to my liking. I think I like it. Oh no, I don't like it. So I took that one out and I fixed it. Yes, baby, fix it. Okay. And so after I did that, I tied my hair down. Skip step. I did those edges, baby. I am not a professional when it comes to doing my edges, as you can see. You see my face? You see my face? Damn, girl, what you doing? I thought I messed up a couple times there, but you know, I just made it work. I knew it wasn't gonna be perfect, and like everybody else's edges be in their YouTube videos with these hairstyles, but I made it work and it came out, well, you'll see how it came out if you stick around. But yep, did my edges and made sure everything was slick down and nice and crisp. And so I played with my headscarf for a little bit and tried to see how I was going to lay it down. Also, with these headscarves, let me tell you something. How you know that your hair is done and ready to be styled is when that scarf is sliding off, baby. Because I know I woke up a couple times in the middle of the night and that baby was sliding off, and I knew it was time. I knew that baby was slick down, okay? But this right here, I believe I was done right there. I was like, okay, this is it. This is it. All right, so I used the Freetress pre-fluff hair. I only used those 2 I have 1 left. So out of those 3, I only used like one for each bun, if that makes sense. I will definitely show y'all how I got that little hair tie onto the hair, attached to the hair. It was very easy, but I just, wrapped it around. You know what? That's what I didn't say. So I had to do my hair. I had to put the band on the hair the way and where I did, because I realized after I finally started trying to try the hair out that the hair was too short and it needed to be longer in order for me to put the band in the middle of the hair. And you'll see what I'm talking about in the next clip. But so yeah, that's me right there, getting excited because I'm loving the way that it's turning out. Look, she's so crazy. But so here I am attaching the band to the other. Oh no, I was taking something from my son because he always getting into some shit. But oh, feeling myself. Here I am taking the hair out, and now I am about to make the other ponytail. I realized I did not get a video of it, so I just hurry up and like recorded me putting the hair together with the rubber band, not the rubber band, but the hair tie real quick before I, do the little edit thingy. But look at that. Oh, girl, you're so cute. But this right here is exactly how you attach the scrunchie to the hair. like I said, I had to put it at this end in order for the hair to be the correct length or a decent length for me for this style. So that's where I had to attach the hair at. It was pretty simple. It was very simple. Hopefully that wasn't confusing for anybody. It looked a little beat up because I had that on today. And I was just doing a lot with it. But yep, back to the video. Ooh, girl. Look at you. Yeah, it kind of hurt because it was a little tight. Like my two little ponytails was a little tight. That's the mistake that I made. Like, don't do that. Don't do that at all. Like, that shit was too tight. But I loosened it up, and I'm loving the way that it's turning out. So basically, for the space buns, you just take some rubber bands and you put it in the middle of the hair, depending on how many little puffs that you want. You just do it that way, and that's how it turned out. I couldn't leave it loose like I wanted to because of the simple fact that the hair wasn't the length that I originally thought it was, but that's how it would have looked if I left it loose. This is how it looked with the space buns, with the little buns. Ain't that cute? That is so freaking cute, bro. I was so excited with how it came out. And this is how I look for Halloween. The Bone family. Yes. Cute as fuck. Dang, girl. Who is that? And I just love how the hair matched my hair as well. That's the hair looking a little bit beat up today. Yeah, but it's still cute. Hey, girl. Ooh, look at that off guard. Oh, looking at the camera. Anywho, thanks for watching, you guys.